Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a traditional art that adds charm, detail and creativity to fabric. Hand embroidery is loved because it is handmade and unique. Each stitch shows create, care and skill. Embroidery designs can be simple or detailed depending on the style you like. Let's start with simple hand embroidery designs. These designs are perfect for beginners. Simple flowers, leaves and small patterns look very elegant. They are often used on kurtis, dresses, pillow covers and dupattas. Next, let's talk about floral embroidery designs. Floral patterns are the most popular in hand embroidery. Roses, vines and small birds look very beautiful. Floral embroidery adds a soft and feminine touch to any outfit or fabric. Now let's look at traditional embroidery designs. These designs are inspired by culture and heritage. They include patterns, borders and authentic motifs. Traditional hand embroidery is often seen on screen, saris, shawls or festive wears. Geometric embroidery designs are also very trendy. These designs use shapes like lines, circles and diamonds. They give a modern and stylish look. Geometric embroidery is perfect for home decor and outfits. Let's talk about thread color combinations. Using the right colors make embroidery more attractive. Mirror work and bead embroidery add extra beauty. Small mirrors, beads or pearls make designs look rich and festive. These styles are often used for wedding and party wear. Hand embroidery is also popular in home decor. Cushion covers, table covers, wall hangings and bed covers look beautiful and stylish with embroidery. It adds warmth and a handmade feel to your home. In the end, hand embroidery is not just decoration, it is an art that shows creativity and tradition. Whether simple or detailed, embroidery always makes fabric special. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about fashion. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Allah Hafiz.